In this video, we'll be talking about how you can advertise any business for free with $0. And it's possible to grow your business without paying for ads because of the power of video content on social media. This is because many of these platforms have high organic reach, which means free potential customers. And you just need to be creative with your content and post on all social media platforms, and we'll show how in this video. So you need to post TikToks on TikTok. For Instagram, you need to post Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts on YouTube, idea pins on Pinterest, and on Facebook, Facebook Reels. Once you have your video content that you created for your product, you need to post on all social media platforms. And remember that you just need to get one viral video to get lots of sales. And one viral video can make you thousands of dollars in sales. Video content number 1 is to create a problem and show that your product solves that problem. And this will give people a reason to buy. For instance, if you're marketing a body lotion, you can start your video by saying, "Are you struggling with dry skin?" And then show them a solution, which is your body lotion, which helps moisturize dry skin. Video idea number 2 is to show how to use your product. For instance, if your product is a portable blender, then you should make drinks using the blender to show them how easy and convenient it is to use. Video idea number 3 is to show the benefits of your product. If your product is a lip scrub, you can write its benefits and show before and after pictures. This will show people what they would gain from buying your product, which would give them another reason to buy. Video idea number 4 is customer conversations. And you can write conversations you've had with your customers, such as questions about your product, and this will help answer questions people may have had about your product. Video idea number 5 is packaging orders. And you can package a customer's order, showing people your packaging experience, and this may encourage them to order. And this will also help them trust you as a seller. And just know, whatever product you're selling, it's important to know how to market it. Creativity will go a long way with marketing your business. Your creativity will get you your viral videos and get you thousands of dollars in sales. You just need to be patient and consistent. And even if you have the best product, if you don't know how to market your product, then you won't get any sales, meaning that you won't make any money. And just so you know, marketing is a skill you'll acquire over time with your business. And the more videos you make about your products, the more creative you become. And if you need more content ideas on how to market your product, you should go on TikTok and put the type of business you have. So if you sell lip glosses, you should go on TikTok and write lip gloss business on the search bar and sort by most liked, and this will give you the videos that have gone viral. And you can do this with any niche, business, or product. And you can also sort by this week, month, or even year. And here are the most viral videos using the search term lip gloss business on TikTok. You can use those videos as inspiration and recreate them, but put your own twist on it. Don't just copy. And you should also use TikTok livestream to advertise your products to potential customers and answer any questions they may have. This will grow your following and increase your sales. If you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, make sure you watch the video in the description box below.